Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning,
Good morning, sir.
good morning.
Sir, today at activity, sir.
Yes, already told. So better you first complete your attendance part.
Okay, sir.
Link is there. Later all will join. So we'll wait for that 5 minutes. And in between, you just share the link again so that others, new members will complete their attendance.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
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 Sir, we can use light blue color, sir.
What? Again?
We can
Pardon?
use light
Sli-
any color.
any color, whatever you
Okay, sir.
want.
Okay, sir.
Three different sets we need, and one black color or blue pen to draw the lines.
Sir, can use pencil to draw lines, sir.
Yes, pencil must. Till now 23 have completed their attendance part. Two more minutes we have, and then we will start our today's activity.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, we should have three different colors, sir.
Yeah, three different like blue, red, green, or blue, yellow. Means light color also. No problem. Three different
Sir.
Okay,
shades.
sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now I am going to share one page, but here this page will be in Paint, that which is in system, but you have to do in your chart paper or A4 paper.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, chart paper we have to take A4 size, no, sir?
yes, any, no problem.
Okay,
Means
sir.
if chart paper is not there, you can use Xerox paper, A4 paper, that size. Not that too long, small size chart paper, like as A4 paper.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it's 9:50. So You be ready. Now I am going to share the paper, and parallelly, what I will do here, parallelly you have to do in your paper. First, you must have to start with the pencil. Don't use pen or any color, because maybe after completion of some work, you have to erase. So that pencil
Sir,
part
can
can be
we
erased.
draw margins, sir?
Wait. Everything I will explain.
Yes, sir, we are able to.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So now you have the paper in front of
So
your
should we
screen.
keep in landscape or portrait, sir?
Better to in the shape whatever is in front of you, that is
Okay.
landscape.
Okay.
Now just in this make a boundary first, and this should be of, it's upon your choice, 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter, all the four corners.
Sir, should we do this, sir?
Yes, now.
Sir, we should draw margins, sir.
Yes, margin. Look, just parallelly with me you start.
Sir, 1 minute.
I am waiting for every work. I will wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that easily you can do your work with pencil, only with pencil. Use a scale to draw the straight lines.
Sir, should we draw border, sir?
Look,
Sir, can we put 1 inch border, sir?
it's upon you, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. It's upon you. Not that much big, with a small 2-3 centimeters.
It's sir.
Okay. Just after
1 minute, sir.
after I'm waiting here. After 2 minutes, I'll continue with the
Sir,
next
how
part.
far from the edges?
How?
Far from the edge, sir.
1 inch you can use. 2-3 centimeter, no?
Over, sir.
Wait. I'm waiting for the time. It's 9:45, and next we will move for in 9:55 for the next part.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, did you take attendance, sir?
Yes, it is there in chat box. Someone please share again for the newly joined members. Yeah, okay. Now the next part, and for this part I am giving you the 5 minutes, because carefully you have to draw a hexagon. You already have a study about the polygons. Hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides, and try to make a regular hexagon. Means
Okay, sir.
all 6 sides should be equal.
Where, sir?
Sir, inside, sir.
You just do with me. I am also doing here. So look the
Sir, should
position.
we draw this, sir?
Sir, while submitting attendance, by mistake I pressed clicker 6 roll number, sir, but my roll number is 5, sir.
Sir, big hexagon,
Okay.
sir.
After the class, you just send me in WhatsApp. I will maintain that. Okay. First, now concentrate here only. Try to make a regular hexagon.
Hexagon, sir.
A hexagon and
Sir,
try
this
to,
much big, sir.
yes, as much as possible try to make regular means all six sides should be equal. If any difficulty, then one more try or leave.
Maximum
If
how many centimeter can we draw, sir?
it's upon you, look
One
the
side of
page.
sir 5.
Look the page. So I have given example. This is my page and look the size. It is closer to the boundary. So that much big.
Sir, one side how many centimeters, sir? One side.
It's upon you. Look the page as
Okay,
per your
sir.
page. As per your page.
Sir, in the center we should draw, sir.
Are you able to see the picture which I shared?
Yes, sir.
So no need to ask, no. Look, only hexagon should be appeared there. In between.
Sir,
Yes.
as much big as possible we should draw,
Yes,
sir.
yes, that is better.
Okay, sir.
Excellent.
Sir, we should draw the hexagon in the middle of this paper, sir.
What?
Sir, we should draw this hexagon in the middle, sir.
Yes, middle.
Sir, we should draw this in our note now, sir.
Note.
Sorry, sir, A4 sheet paper, sir.
You start drawing with pencil in your A4 paper, white paper, which I told.
Sir, completed drawing.
Okay, okay. Let's wait for others also.
Sir, I took 4 centimeter as the side length.
No problem. In polygon, we already have studied. Polygon means those who have completed. Yeah, you just define. You completed, no?
Yes, sir.
Drawing?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Define what is
A
polygon?
yes, sir. A closed shape made up of with line segments.
Closed.
Closed figure made up of line segment is known as polygon, sir. Any number of sides.
Yes, yes. Good, good. And if it has six sides, then it is known as
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Yeah, good.
Hexagon.
So those who has completed, they can use chit chat or ask something if you want, because 2 more minutes, and after that 2 minutes we will continue. Yes.
Sir, should we draw this hexagon in the middle?
Yes, yes. In middle a slight, because this is only the large size. Again, why how many centimeters? As much as big possible. It should be big size.
Sir,
So I am sharing that example in front of your screen, as based on the size of paper you can draw, depends upon your page size. Now 1 more minute. Now you just take pencil and scale and join the opposite vertices, corners, all, not one only. So here we have three line segments
Sir, that
which are joining the opposite vertices. 3. And the intersecting point is common for all the three. Three line segments joining the opposite vertices. Okay, now
Sir, this is okay, sir.
after this, you have two ways, either by joining the parallel lines or directly you can draw a small hexagon in between this large hexagon. Either join the parallel lines or draw one small hexagon in between that, so that it will be exactly in between, so that this will parallel or similar with the large hexagon. Yes, take your time and try to do that. One more hexagon, or we can think for every line is parallel with the sides of large hexagon. And those who has completed, please share the link again, link of attendance. Still some are joining, so let them complete their attendance. And now the newly members who joined just now, you just look here in front of your screen. First draw a large hexagon after drawing the boundary of your chart paper. Then join the opposite vertices. So we have three line segments who are joining the opposite vertices. After joining the opposite vertices, draw small hexagon in between that large.
Finished, sir.
Finished, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now those who has completed, you just take rest for 1 or 2 minutes, let others will complete, and you can drink water, take some refreshment. It's now 10:04, and again we'll continue with 10:06, 2 minutes. Let all will complete till here. These all drawings till now we have completed with pencil. Don't use other pen or colors, only till now pencil. first hexagon, a large hexagon, as much as possible as per your paper. Then join the opposite vertices, corners with line segment. So we'll have 3 line segments which are joining the opposite corners. And after that, draw one more hexagon, small hexagon, and this can be very small, somehow some large, but in between that large hexagon, it should be in between and similar with the same. It looks like similar with the large. Yes. Now let's come to the next part. Take eraser. Now from here we have to erase some parts and carefully erase. Carefully just look what I am erasing. This line. Erase. Yeah. The line in between smaller hexagon and larger hexagon. One line omitted, erased. Then again alternate after one, next should be erased. And next again one more after one, that what we are omitting the line, that is alternate only. So after erasing this 3 alternate line segments in between these two, now come to the central part. Means the line segments in the smaller hexagon, we have again 6 line segments, and erase the alternate to the larger which we omitted just now, that should be alternate. Sorry, not this should not be there here, this one, not the same line. Here we have to use the different. Omit the different line now. And then one more. With eraser.
It is becoming.
Sir, it is coming a 3D shape. Sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now
Yes, sir.
Something
One
like
cube cut out. One cube is cut inside another cube, sir.
okay. Now it's looking like that. But again, when we'll go with the filling part, no, then again some different pictures will arrive. Okay, let's continue. So, what erasing part over or not?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Over, sir.
Over, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay. I'm waiting for that next 1 minute, and then now those who has completed, now take black sketch, black pen or blue pen, draw the line, whatever line left now after erasing, after omitting, now draw with pen or black sketch, black color, all the lines.
Sir, now this diagram we should draw with black sketch, sir.
Yes, with black.
Sir, we can do with black pen also.
Pen also, you can use pen also.
Sir, can you repeat, sir? Sir, can you repeat?
Now in place of pen, this diagram is with pencil. Now draw pen. Use pen to draw over the pencil. And after that, rub all the pencil part. Or you can use black pen, black sketch, any blue pen, but not pencil. Pencil should be rubbed after drawing on the lines. Here itself, it looks like a 3D shape. But again, if you are looking from left side, right side, from the front, it looks like different 3D shapes. Sometimes one cutout is
Cube in
there.
the
Yes.
cube in the corner of a room, sir.
Yeah. Sometimes it is, yeah,
Sir,
that is
inside
cube
the
in
cube,
the,
one more cube.
yeah. So different. Or one cutout also, it looks like one cutout cube is there from the large, or one cube is holded by the,
Sir, now we should use black
Sir, we
sketch,
should
sir.
yes, black
fully.
sketch. To,
Sir, this full diagram we should draw with black sketch, sir.
yes, only the line. Don't color the part. Only draw the lines. That line are there, no? Lines are with pencil. Now draw with pen or black. All lines, all lines. All lines, which is having with larger or smaller hexagon and that three joints.
Sir, we can also draw with blue sketch pen, sir.
But then blue cannot be used to set the diagram. After this, you should have three different shades, three different colors. If you are using here blue sketch cannot be used to color the diagram. So better use black sketch
sir.
or blue pen. Okay.
Finished, sir.
Yes, okay.
Sir, now we have to rub it, sir, the pencil.
Better that rub the pencil part.
So should we color this, sir?
No. First rub the pencil part. Have you used in all the lines that pen or pen? After this, rub the pencil part.
Done, sir.
Yeah,
Finished,
okay.
sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, now start the coloring part. Out of that three, whatever you have three shades, just take a color which is in light, not the dark, any. If you have all the three dark colors, you can use, but start with the light color. Just here I am using any, and it's upon you. You can also use any.
Sir, now what to do, sir? I was disconnected.
Yeah, yeah. Color this. Look here in the small
With any
hexagon.
color, sir?
Yes, color any. It's upon you. Here I am using that light, very light blue type. You can use any. And always try to color from one side to another side. Sketching any, do that. It should be completely colored, filled with color. And its opposite. This should also with the same color.
Sir, we should do with light color, sir.
Yes, better.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the smaller hexagon, sir.
What?
Smaller hexagon, sir.
Yeah, look. Are you able to see that? That shared picture?
Sir, no, sir. There is no color, sir.
No color. For
Sir, we
all?
can see. No, sir. Only the
Sir, it
blue
is
color.
there, sir. Light blue color,
Yes,
sir.
yes, light blue color.
Color is there, sir.
Yes, yes. You just pin
Sir, I
on
can.
my presentation. You will be
Sir,
able to. Yes.
can we use orange, sir?
Sir, can we use
Any color. So I told no.
Sir, can we use color
You can
pencil?
use any. Already I have sent the information regarding that color. Color pencil, wax color, any. Don't ask. And here also you can use any of the set. Light blue, dark blue.
Sir, sketch pen.
Again, why asking? In
Sir,
instruction
only that
already
two
I meant.
sides, sir.
Yeah, first that two sides. Then again the next two sides opposite. Same type. Look.
A different color.
Yeah, different with a different. That it is with blue, that is with another. And the third is also with the next. Yes. So now here we have,
Sir, please wait, sir.
yes, I am waiting. Three different sets. And you just complete. If anyone has completed, then you just write your name, class, roll number, name, class, and roll number. That is only. And share
Sir,
with,
we should
yes,
share in Google Classroom, sir.
that I will inform you. First here. First, if anyone has completed, then inform me. I will stop this sharing and you can share your work. But before that, write your name, class, and roll number. Name, class, and roll number in the same page. And now here we can write the heading. This is illusion cube. Heading of the activity is illusion cube.
Sir,
Heading of the activity is illusion cube.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we use pen on the hexagon, this cube and hexagon also, sir?
Yes, you can.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Sir, where should we write the heading and our name, sir?
Now, wherever space left, you just use that space to write the heading. Now, after this, write the name. Heading should be in bold letter, bold. Anywhere, wherever space is there, you just write the heading in bold letters. Illusion cube. Better with capital letter we write. Otherwise,
Sir, what is the topic, sir?
illusion cube.
Sir, it is the part of the art integration, sir.
Yes. And now you just write your name, class, and roll number wherever a space in small letters, not as much as big. Name, class, and your roll. That should be completed. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with all the details, after completing this, today means in this 10 minutes, you just share in my personal WhatsApp number.
Completed, sir.
Yes, completed, then share in my personal WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir.
Okay, wait a moment. Wait all. Yeah. Someone please share the attendance link again. And if anyone has not completed attendance, please fill the attendance. And now I am going to stop this sharing. If anyone has completed, share your work.
Sir, can I complete? Sir, I completed. Can I share my
Yes, share.
mark?
Share. I am waiting for that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. And if someone please
Sir, are you able to see my share screen, sir?
wait. Yes,
Yes, Aryan.
yes. How to share? Okay. Yeah, good. Good. Illusion cube. And that
Can
will,
you?
Sir, on
yes.
WhatsApp or
Now close. Aryan, close. And listen, you just open your
Okay, sir.
camera and show the pictures. That also you can do. Even Obia, Prashant, still you are doing. Pranant, sorry. And others, you just
Sir.
open your
sir
camera.
on WhatsApp.
Sir, about to
Just,
complete, sir. Just one more color and
yeah, okay. Others, please.
Sir, I have not completed, sir.
Okay,
Sir, up till when we can submit?
those who has completed, just turn on your camera and show here. Yes, Mohit, good, very nice,
Thank you, sir.
very nice. Now turn off your camera. Another,
Thank you, sir.
anyone else? Those who has completed, you just turn on your camera and show the work.
Sir,
Sir,
should I
up till
send
when
the
we can
photo?
submit?
That should be sent. After this, you send in my personal WhatsApp number, not on mail, personal WhatsApp number. Can we do big? Means you haven't started, Namita. Whatever you did, no, you just share that only. Anyhow, initially I told as much as big possible. Okay. Within today, not within time means after 10 minutes. Already you all are doing with me. So no need to wait. Now
Sir, I
those,
sent, sir.
yes, now those who shared your picture and completed your attendance, you can leave the class. Thank you. And for others, I'm waiting
Thank you,
for
sir.
next 5 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, up till when we can submit?
Within your time. Your time is up to 10:45.
Where we should submit, sir? Thank you, sir. We
WhatsApp
can
number.
write with pen, sir.
Yes. That also.
Sir, to your personal number we have to send, sir.
Yes. No. Yes. Vaibhav Mishra. Good. That was in the full size. Good. Take a picture and send to me. Thank you, Vaibhav. Very nice. Yes, R.K. Divyashree. Yes, yes, you're good. But where is boundary? I'm not able to see your boundary. Yeah, yeah, it is there. Good, good, good. Very nice. Now
Thank you, sir.
take a picture and send to me. Yes. Avinash, your is also good. Yes, very nice, Avinash.
Sir, sent in WhatsApp, sir.
Yes, yes, WhatsApp only.
Okay, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Now
Bye,
you can
sir.
leave. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir,
Yes.
can we write the heading in top of the margin?
Yes, you can. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Now it's 10:26. I am waiting for 2 more minutes. If in this 2 minutes you are sharing after turning on your camera, then okay. Otherwise, by 10:45 you have to send in my personal WhatsApp number. That picture.
Sir, can I share, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, then share. Yes, Saharsa.
Sorry, IL.
Yes, yes, good, good, good. You're also.
Anant, mute.
Sir, how is mine?
Yes, Saharsa. Okay, good.
Sir,
Wait, wait.
Sir, can you
Just
tell what is the heading?
illusion cube.
Okay, sir.
Ekta, your is also good. Now just stop presenting. Simply turn on your camera and show that. Yes, Abhi. Wait, Abhi
Sir,
Ramamittam. No, no, Abhi.
sir, now it, sir.
Yes, now okay. Abhi. Okay, Abhi Ramamittam. Good, good. I'm able to see.
Sir, now we can
Nice.
okay, sir.
share in WhatsApp, sir.
What?
Now we can share in WhatsApp, sir.
Chat. Just take a picture and send in my WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir. Now
Yes,
we can
yes.
send it.
Now itself. Now itself. Wait, wait. Hari Keshav. No, no, Visha.
Sir, can I show, sir?
Yeah, sure now. Vishali, okay. Yes, okay. Good. Yes, Stanley. Good. Why both side yellow type? Some different color, no? You used yellow. It's look like both yellow. Okay, good. Yeah, Vishal, your is also okay. Good.
Sir, I did same like you.
Okay, good. Like you means
I
what?
also, sir.
Wait. Like you means what?
The color, sir.
No, no. That he is telling some different thing. Yeah, okay. Now I am going to close the meeting.
Sir, can I show, sir?
Yes, fast.
Thank you, sir.
Don't
Sir,
wait.
wait, sir.
Just turn on your camera and show. Pritika, your is also that two side colors are looks like same. Yeah, okay, good, good. Pritika, Pranand.
Sir, I sent in WhatsApp, sir. Thank
Yes,
you,
Sir,
sir.
can I
yes,
show,
yes,
sir?
yes. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
good. Okay. Okay then. Okay.
Thanks and bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Now I am going to close the meeting.
Thank you,
If
sir.
anyone
Bye,
has
sir.
not completed attendance, please complete your attendance for today's class.
Sir,
Link
I
is
will
there in
send
chat
in
box.
your WhatsApp after 5 minutes.
Okay, I am waiting there. Link is there in your chat. You just complete the attendance. Thank you. Until now, I received 59 attendance only.
Sir, I am showing Pratyush.
Yes, so.
Sir, I have sent in your WhatsApp, sir.
Yes. Okay, Pratyush. Good. Yeah.
Thank
Now
you, sir.
send in WhatsApp. Thank you.
Sir, I have sent in WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah, good, good. All have to send in WhatsApp. Thank you and bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
You just take
Thank
your
you, sir.
time and by 10:45 you just submit this all. Thank you. Bye.